Hello, my name is Elly Ross. I'm with the College of Biological Sciences and I'm a biochem major. I really enjoyed going to the Newest Emeriti Lectures, and I really liked the lecture by Dr. Shapiro and his study on butterflies. During his lecture, he talked about butterflies and the effect of climate change on different butterfly populations, and I particularly enjoyed the section on Arctic species of butterflies. And what I thought was really cool was how he talked about different elevations can show different effects of climate change on these populations. And so, where it may be like more wet on a lower elevation, it may be more dry in a higher elevation, and how that affects different populations. And this can be really bad because it can cause particular species of butterflies to go extinct. And one of those talked about was the large marble, as seen in this slide. And that's really bad because butterflies are a massive part of local environments, and having them go extinct would change the local ecosystem, and that would be really, really bad. And also, people just really like butterflies. I wanted to extend a thank you to Dr. Gepps, Dr. Pesa, Dr. Hernandez Avila, Dr. Cherry, Dr. Rispa, Dr. Britt, Dr. Tujema, and Dr. Shiola for their lectures as well. They were all very entertaining and educational, and thank you for sharing your time with us.